If basic life tasks feel heavy right now, this is for you. Not every week is a big, shiny week. Some weeks are just getting back. If your life feels scrambled, this is what progress can look like. Small, real wins. The kind nobody claps for, but they're the ones that bring you back. This week was paperwork and follow through. I went to the college to finish my enrollment for a class I wanted to take. Nothing glamorous, just me showing up to close a loop. Then I came home and did the kind of task that used to sit there for days. File folders, labels, organizing, and boring stuff. And I'm calling that a win because it is. And even at home, I keep it simple. I almost swapped out a frame, but then decided to keep what already worked. That counts too. Sometimes the win is just trying something different. Then the next day was the doctor's appointment, waiting rooms, quiet time, people pacing. Following up on a yearly exam is quite a win, especially when it's done on time. And after a couple of days of things processing, I finally registered for the class I'd been eyeing, not because everything was easy, but because I followed through anyway. So if your week looks small, I see you. Small wins are how you come back. This is week 3.